Does your skin look dull and tired despite taking all the treatments, or your skin is not plump enough or hydrated enough? Then you should definitely consider laser skin rejuvenation. So what is laser skin rejuvenation? Laser skin rejuvenation is the use of laser energy to improve the qualities of your skin. It is an anti-aging treatment that will help recover more of the collagen and elastin in the skin. This will get rid of your fine lines as well as the wrinkles, and this will give you a more rejuvenated look. Because there is more amount of collagen and elastin that is formed in the skin is able to hold and retain more amount of moisture, giving you a fresh and a hydrated look. Also, because this laser energy can target the pigment production in your skin, the amount of pigment that is produced by the pigment producing cells in your skin gets regulated, giving you a much even tone and texture, and the skin becomes much clearer and even across all over the face. It can also help get rid of some of the scars that are very shallow and probably due to past history of acne that you have had, and it can also help recover some of the pigmentation that is happening around it. Laser skin rejuvenation has absolutely no downtime. You can come, have your session and get back and resume your normal work immediately after your treatment. You can have weekly or 2 weekly sessions, probably up to 3 to 6 sessions, that can be even combined with other treatments such as hydrofacial to improve the overall look of your skin such that it is more rejuvenated and looks fresher and plumpier. So if you are tired of going to the salons and getting different facials done but yet are not seeing the results, then come to us at Tamira, and laser skin rejuvenation will definitely help you get your results.